Five Guys.
So sarap. So yummy.
Good to try, but
Hindi afford. Expensive.
We're eating the most very expensive €5 to buy chocolate, right, Leon?
good job.
And this brownies are very expensive. And this chocolate. Okay?
Alright.
Okay, show your chocolate.
Yeah, you show it.
Malaki na lang. Sinabi yung pantamad. Tamad.
Alright.
Okay, let's
Now
open
try
it.
to open it.
We tried to open this. I'll open this. You open that.
Show the camera. Show the camera.
Wow, you crushed it, Leon.
Open it, Benji.
Kung promise na kinain.
Open the chocolate. Okay, open the chocolate na, anak. Ikaw na lang dito, open mo. Hindi mo na lang pakita yung mukha mo. Nakaabang na po yung talagang tunay na sisikim mo.
We're here. Oh, the chocolate.
Paano? Excited yung mga bata. Oh, harap mo dito. Dito yung camera. Open mo na.
More open this.
Yan. Leon! Dito na yung
Leon!
Oh, dali na. Yung breaking natin.
I cannot take it.
Oh! Galit si Leon. Oh, dali na.
Sobrang mahal na chocolate.
Ah, 10 talaga mas lang.
Ito yung tipid hacks. Hati talaga. Isang bite, tapos ano kayo. Ikaw, bahala. Ano sasabihin nyo? Go,
You need to
NJ.
show your reaction, NJ, ah.
Tastes good, Leon. What happened to your nose?
Yay!
Okay, next.
Tastes good.
Oh, Jem, next. Dito ka. Sabi niya, andito ko, pero bakit wala?
Leon?
Nice. Clap your hands! Yay!
Uy, chewy.
So yummy. Tissue.
Tissue man nito.
Okay, next.
Pagkala tissue dun sa ano.
Sobrang tamis.
Ay, ito, Day!
Sarap. Hindi afford. Expensive.
Ready yarn!
Kaya na-SMR kasi parang may bato.
Crunchy.
Parang may bato.
Kasi may nut sa ilalim na may ano diba?
Hindi ko na pa eh.
Hindi. It's avocado.
Sarap!
Your turn. It's so sarap.
Five
So
Guys.
sarap. Five Guys chocolate.
Saka naman.
Just go. Hallelujah.
Hallelujah!
Ba't walang tunog mo?
Ayan. Hindi kasi yung mga microphone nilalagay sa ano.
Say hi to that one.
Gutom.
Speechless, speechless.
let's try this, Lian. Try nga natin to.
Katukin niyo na si Kuya Carlo.
Ito na siya, guys.
Dapat hindi ka pala.
Hala, 2 left.
For your mommy.
Check natin with the kunafa.
Good.
Taste chocolate.
Ano siya masyadong matamis dito sa
Yung kunafa niya, yung nagka-crunch dito. Nga. Ito nagdadala ng bida. Yung kunafa.
Bida sarap.
Nakaka-enjoy kasi kainin pag may ano, crunchy. Tsaka soft with pistachio paste.
Turn the daw niya.
Good to try but
It's the best. My mom is the
sakto kaya
best.
Carlo huli, no?
Let's try.
It's the best. It's the best. It's the best.
Abot niyo na daw sa banyo. Tatagalan pa daw.
It's the best. It's the best. See, it's yummy.
Asang KitKat.
Oo nga.
Si Marir, si Mira.
Nasa matching
The same. Asan si Carlo na?
5 seconds per
Ang talaga ako ng
ano.
pag-igot.
Sige.
Good, Carlo!
It's a sign na wala nang laman. Kamusta yung lasa?
It's so yummy.
Yeah!